Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
G'day everybody, welcome to Online Assembly this week. A few amazing things that have happened this week. Today, very special day, Bright Sparks Day for our preps, 100 days of preps. Congratulations preps, you have been very resilient and we have loved your start to school this year. We're very proud of you and so are your parents and cousins and mums and dads and uncles and guardians and everyone at home. You've done an amazing job. Enjoy today, it is a very special day for you to celebrate. Another thing that we have done this week is our year ones went to the Museum of Play and Arts and Mr. Music got to go along too. It was very special. In fact, we're going to go back to the future now, quickly into the DeLorean. Let's go have a look. Oh, how good was that? Pretty special. Kids were having a fantastic time, and I know that I had a really good time too. Very lucky principal. So, starting next week, we've got some really important things going on. Our year 5s and 6s are heading, or some year 5s and 6s are heading off to represent our school at the rugby gala at Casey Fields. We want to say good luck to those participating. Have a great time. We know that you will do a really great job at representing our school and giving it your best. On Thursday night is our parent-teacher conferences. So important that we all take this opportunity to meet with our teachers, see how our learning's going, and start to build some goals with our teachers around the next steps forward leading into the end of the year. For our parents and guardians, You have until Tuesday to book those sessions with teachers. Please make sure we're booking in those sessions. We really want to see you here at school, 3:30 till 7:30. That's it from me this week. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. See you next week.
Hello everyone. Well, I am here in front of these beautiful artworks to make a very special announcement. As you know, we've got our book fair coming next week and we're very excited. And to get excited and get ready for our book fair, we had a design your own book cover competition. And we received so many fabulous entries. Take a look at just some of them. Oh my goodness, and they keep going. But I am here today to announce our very special winners. So we have 3 winners, a Prep to 2, a Year 3, 4 and a 5-6. And I'm very excited to announce that our winner for the Prep to 2 competition is Aaliyah from Prep M. Congratulations, Aaliyah. Let's have a look at her winning entry. All right, and now our winner for the Year 3-4 Designer Book Cover competition is Zoroa from 3R. Congratulations. And lastly, our winner for the 5-6 competition is Mahia from 6D. Here's a look at Mahia's entry. A very big congratulations to all of those winners, and you can now come up to the office to collect your $20 book fair voucher. So you will be able to shop for some wonderful books next week at our book fair. And a very big congratulations to all of our students who entered our book cover competition this week. You will be able to have a look at all of the entries on display in the briefing neighbourhood when you come to the book fair next week. Well done, everyone.
We have some exciting news to share. Get excited because our school talent show is coming in term 4 and we can't wait to see the amazing talents we have across our school.
Whether you love to dance, sing, play an instrument, perform a magic trick or tell a joke, we'd love to see you get involved.
The best part is that you can start preparing now. Auditions will begin early in term 4. So use this term to practice build your confidence and get performance ready.
Don't be shy, give it a go. We look forward to seeing all your incredible performances.
Next week's respect expectation is I use school property for its correct purpose.
Chairs are not for standing on, not for rocking back on. We use them correctly to sit on.
When we use school property the right way, we help keep everyone safe and take care of our school.
Let's all remember to show respect by using school property for its correct purpose.
Hi, and welcome to this week's Student Talk. Today we're interviewing Genesis and Rita from 5M. And now to the questions. What job do you want to do when you grow up?
I would like to be like a doctor so like I can help many lives.
I would be a teacher because I want to teach little kids.
Nice. If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
I would say teleportation so I can get there faster.
Same.
I would be invisibility so I could steal things.
What are 3 words that best describe you?
Funny, nice, and athletic.
Mine would be kind, silly, and helpful.
If you were stranded on an island, what is one thing you would take with you?
A bunch of food so I could like survive.
I would bring apples because I can make apple juice and eat apples.
If you could be any animal, what would you be and why?
I would love to be a cheetah so that I could run faster.
I would love to be a killer whale so no one could kill me.
What is your favorite sport?
Basketball mostly.
Basketball as well.
Mine too. What is your favorite subject at school?
I would say art.
I would say PE.
Nice. What is your favorite event at school?
Color fun run mostly.
Athletics.
Do you have any pets?
I don't know. I don't have any.
I have a fish and a bird.
And what is your favorite season?
Summer.
Autumn.
Thank you, Genesis and Rita, for your time today. Stay tuned for more Student Talk next week.
Bye.
Hey, hey, who's ready to get giggly? All right, here is this week's joke. What do you call 2 rubbers? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, your time is up. What do you call 2 rubbers? A pair of knickers. I hope you liked that one. I hope that gave you a giggle, put a smile on your face, and made you just a little bit happy. Have a great week, everyone.
Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Perkins here with some breaking news. Today I hear some people have come in overnight and the classrooms in prep are looking a little bit different today. Let's go and have a look. I'm here in prep P. Let's see what's happening. Oh, we've got some pink sparkles. Oh my goodness, and if I have a look around, the classroom is decorated and I don't know if you can see. Let's have a look. All of our prep classrooms have been decorated for happy 100 days of prep. Oh my goodness, look how good this looks. Let's go and find some foundation students and see what they have to say about their 100 days of prep. Let's go. Alrighty, Gassanj, what do you think about 100 days of prep?
It's very nice. It's very nice for the party because we keep learning to respect to each other.
Oh, I love that. And sweetheart in the middle, what's your name?
Ramat Karjan.
And what do you like about school?
I like about school. We dance and we jump and we go to parties.
Oh,
And we respect for our classmates.
lovely. And lucky last, what's your name?
Rosalie.
And Rosaline, what are you looking forward to for the rest of your schooling at Cranbernice? What are you looking forward to learning?
To getting better at writing
Yep.
and getting better at being kind.
Oh, I love those. Thank you, girls. Can you please give a big wave and say breaking news?
Breaking news!
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope to have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and
respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud. We will see you next time.
Bye.